into the field, shall we? And as we take a walk, I would like to welcome in my friend, Angel Smedley.
Are we walking?
We're walking. We're dancing. Hi, friend.
We're walking.
We're walking. We're walking. We're walking right into a field of flowers.
Sorry, I have to just be goofy. I'm sorry.
I love it. I am so happy you're here. Gosh, I love you.
Thank you. I love you too, honey. Thank you.
Okay.
Wisteria.
Wisteria. We're taking a walk down Wisteria Lane. It is the Quacker Factory printed Wisteria. I realized I was saying this word wrong. And it's not a word, it's numbers. 3/4 sleeve. I was saying 3/4 sleeve for weeks. Sleeve split neck top. I read what I see. Okay. You're saving $18 today. That's the important thing. And there's no reorder on this, so when it is gone, it should be $58, but we are talking $39.99 for such a beautiful piece. 3 easy payments of $13.33. Length on this is 26.5 to 32.5. We have sizes extra, extra small through 3X. I love these color combinations.
I know, they're
this
so good.
is our black. Then we have our azalea, which is that gorgeous pink color.
And it's the newest.
Oh, that's our newest?
Yes, yes.
Then we have your medium purple. If you are a purple girl out there.
We don't do a ton of purple, John.
Yeah.
So this is important for all my purple lovers.
Do not wait.
Nope.
My mom, favorite color, she painted our front door purple.
All right.
And then this is your French blue.
Wait, your mom has personality? That's shocking.
How many left in this? 20 left. Yes, it's shocking that my mom is my mom.
I love her already.
I fear the day that they let my mom into this studio because she is never going to leave. Now, tell me a little bit about this.
Okay, so 100% cotton. 3/4 length sleeves, that modified split V-neck, no bling on this. We're letting the print stand all on its own, and then those really pretty, just kind of simple shell buttons down the front that are functional. So we wanted to let the print stand all on its own. So that luscious wisteria print just drizzles down the front, down the sleeves, and over the back as well. So you look fantastic coming and going. And then, of course, when I see wisteria, I think of the cool, warm, the warm breezes of summer where the sun sets a little bit later.
And it's just kind of blowing in the wind.
And it's just kind of blowing in the wind, whether it is over the power lines that go across the road near my house, or whether they're over the pergola at my sister's next door neighbor's house in the summer. I just love wisteria. I'm a little obsessed with it because it's so delicate and yet it's so strong. And can't that be said for most of us?
Yeah, so delicate but so strong. Oh, I love that.
Thank you.
That's the title of your memoir.
Oh, so delicate, yet
so strong. And I have to say, this fabric is similar.
It is.
It's, I mean, this looks like it would be something like some sort of like cardigan, like light fabric, but this has a little bit of heft to it where you're getting something you can wear every day, but it's not super heavy at all.
You know what another title for my memoir could be?
What is it?
Beefy without being bulky. Because that's how I describe this fabric. Because it's beefy without being bulky, because it has a nice hand feel. It's not see-through, it's not cheap. It is nice, have to beefy without being bulky. Angel Smedley memoir.
The Angel Smedley memoir in 3 parts. That's part 1. Now you're getting this, speaking of parts, if you break up this price, it should be $58. You're getting it for $39.99 today. That is 3 easy payments of $13.33 to get this home. And you've got such great color options here. This is your, we're calling this French blue. Love that. Then right here is our black, followed by our medium purple. You heard Angel, do not wait on this one. Mom, do not wait on this one. And then last but not least, we have our azalea. I love that you're doing what you were doing, because I like that pairing a lot. You know, I'm a sucker for a white pant.
I know, I love to pair all of these with white. And here's the beauty of this top too. You know, right now, it's a little bit of a struggle getting dressed, right? Because some days it's 50, some days it's -10.
Right.
My cousin lives in Texas, grew up here, lives in Texas, and he posted something on Facebook today that said that it was -2 in Amarillo, but it felt like -14.
Oh, no, no, no.
And so he's like, this is nuts. You know, and he grew up in the Northeast where we have all these temperatures. So this is that perfect top where we have the desire and the want and the feels for spring, but you can still wear this now because of the fabric weight, because of the 3/4 length sleeves, because of the print, because you're just basically saying, you know, I love spring and summer.
Right. And if you pick up that skirt that we're talking about a little later, we're talking. Let's do a full.
Drop the skirt a little bit more.
Got it. Thank you.
There we go.
What would I do without Angel Smedley? She's like my guardian angel.
What would I do without you?
This, $25 and change for the whole outfit.
I would have to do the show by myself if I didn't have you.
No, and I won't let that happen. You know I'm going to push my way onto this stage.
I like it.
But $25 and change if you want to get the skirt and the shirt and you get that full complete look. I mean, this is a clearance price of $39.99. I don't know if you know how it works here at QVC, but when something's a clearance price, there's no reorder on this. When it is gone, it is gone. So pick your favorite color. If you can pick up more than one, this is the time to do it. Angel has run off the set. And she's gone AWOL.
Here's why. I love this color combo of pink and green. It's so preppy and so chic.
I love that.
And I just, you know, wanted to show another option for you. So
and in a certain movie, they did say pink goes good with green. Anyway.
I still have yet to see it.
What?
Don't be mad.
What
Don't
are you
be
waiting
mad.
for?
Don't be mad. I know.
I own it.
I have 2 weeks to see 7 movies. I better get on it.
Well, let's go. We can start right now. Get that outfit on. We'll sit and watch it together.
Okay.
Now, we have been falling in love with this. People are loving this top, so do not wait. This is your azalea. This is our French blue. I love that French blue color combination. Also, don't forget what Angel told us. It goes all the way down the back. Now we only have small and medium left in our French blue. Sorry to tell you. Then we have your black option, super chic, and that medium purple. Do not wait on that medium purple. It's such a great color combination with the mixture of the green and those different purple tones. 3 easy payments of $13.33 to get this home. Where it's that we've had over 100 of these ordered in this show.
Well, we have very smart quackers, so thank you very much. This is a great top because it's that, again, that piece that transitions really well from season to season that you never really have to take out of your closet, John.
Right.
You know, because it just will stay in there, it will live in there for you to reach for on those days when you need a little extra pick-me-up with a little color. When you are maybe traveling somewhere where it's warm and you need that top, you can wear your sweater or your jacket on to the airport, on the plane, and then when you get there, you just have this shirt ready to go. I mean, it goes great with all of your long pants now, and going into short pants, shorts, and skirts as the weather changes.
Do you see the pain? Do you see the pained look on my face?
Is it gone? Bye-bye.
As my producer said, as Glinda once said, she was very, very popular, and now she's sold out. Sorry.
Bye-bye.
Gotta go.
Bye-bye to
Now,
the
do not
French
wait on
blue.
these. You've got the choice of our azalea, which is the pink, the black, and our medium purple, extra, extra small through 3X. Clearance price of $39.99. We just lost a color, so if you are hemming and hawing and sitting by the phone, call 800-500-7590. The item number is A629635. Here we are.